In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to delete ChatGPT photo history and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So if you wanted to delete some of the photos, and this is what we have to do, and also keep in mind you have to do the same step on a PC as well as on a mobile as well. So the first thing, we need to load up the ChatGPT, and this is how it looks like. Now from here at the left top, you need to click on this, and from here you have to go to the images. And right now we can see these are the images which I created over here. There are two way you can try. For some users, when the person hold like this, they'll getting an option here to delete it. You can try in that way. But if you're not having that issue, you don't have to worry. Just go back. Now click on this at the top. Now from here you have to go to the profile, and from here we have to scroll it down over here and navigate to the data control. From here, if you scroll it down, there is an option called delete all chats. So you have to tap on it. And if you go to confirm, what happens is all the chats will be cleared from the history and you cannot be undone it back. And this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.